What's going on, world? ANZD here. Now in this video, what I'm going to talk about, Metaverse. Like, I'm not sure if anybody right now is involved with the Metaverse world or play Metaverse games or anything like that, but I just want to shoot this video because I came across some Metaverse platforms that I'm going to be putting on my watch list to invest, because they are on the stock market. So I'm going to go across some of these Metaverse. If you're not into the Metaverse world or know any idea about the Metaverse, it's kind of like a virtual reality, virtual information, some VI, virtual intelligence type stuff like that. So basically like virtual intelligence, virtual reality, playing games in like a virtual world. So I'm gonna get into some stocks that's on my watch list that's also included into the Metaverse. And I'm not talking about Meta, M-E-T-A, formerly known as Facebook. I'm not talking about that Meta in terms of Metaverse. I'm talking about some other platforms that we can get into, that we can invest. Metaverse, like I said, is not like the Facebook one that Mark Zuckerberg was talking about, that you know what happened with that one. But instead, this one's spotlight is on promising players in the Metaverse space that are poised to redefine the digital landscape and offer significant investment opportunities. So check this out. These companies are leveraging advanced technology to create immersive, interactive virtual world, and their potential for growth is immense. Some of these virtual world and virtual games I spoke about in another video before. I'm gonna leave the link right here. You can also check out that one. That's also another Metaverse that you can check out. But we're gonna be talking about the versions that, like I said, has unobstructed hardware with VR and AR technology, seamless, integrating virtual information into real world. In fact, here are some of the top Metaverse stocks that we're going to be talking about that can benefit you and you should put on your watch list. So the first one I'm going to be talking about is NVIDIA, ticker number NVDIA. NVIDIA Corporation is one of the favorite ways to trade anything tech, AI, and Metaverse related with the NVIDIA ticker symbol. Now, NVIDIA is a good Metaverse growth stock to put on your watch list or even to put on your portfolio. Because check this out, back in May, the price was like $285. Then it went to $385. And right now, it's about $423 on its way to $500 a share. Now, Metaverse, remember, is like different things, like company like Omniverse platform allow users to create a simulated virtual world in the Metaverse with using like Amazon, for example, is creating an AI-powered digital twins for its warehouse, improving warehouse design and workflow and training smarter robotic solutions. So really, when it comes to AI in the Metaverse, NVDA is must-own stock. So that's NVIDIA, a must-own stock. Better analysts love this stock. Now, the next Metaverse platform that I'm going to be talking about is Roblox. Yes, if you have kids, you probably heard of Roblox. Ticket symbol RBLX on the New York Stock Exchange. Roblox is another non-brainer Metaverse stock. When mentioned Roblox, you got to think about it. Right now, it's traded, I think in the 40s. But when I first got into Roblox, it was in the mid 20s, about $23, $24. And then I think it was around winter season of 21 going into 22. Oh yeah, I think it was winter season 21 going into 22. Roblox went up to like 50, almost 60 something dollars a share, which was able to swing trade it. But Roblox is another good one. It's very volatile, and both MKM analysts upgraded Roblox stocks to buying rate with a price target of $48 or more. Right now, it's about $38, $37.85 around. So it's a good one, and it's a benchmark stock to have. Benchmark analysts also upgraded Roblox to buying rate of 45% price target. So you got a lot of analysts doing a real targeted on Roblox and how it's going to go. So for the first quarter, earnings were encouraging too. Revenue jumped 22% over year to $655.3 million. Bookings were up to 23% year over year to 773 million. Average daily active user jumped 22% to 66.1 million. Hours engaged by users soared 23% year over year. So it probably was the winter season 2022-2023 that the stock was really going up there. But either way, I was able to swing trade it and able to hedged my portfolio by using Robux at the time that it was hot. And right now it's getting hot again, because if you have kids like between the ages of maybe 4 to like 15 or something like that, they're definitely playing Robux. They're asking you for Robux, asking you for money so they can purchase Robux. So this is a good way of hedging that. Might as well also invest in it. Once again, the ticket symbol is RBLX. Next up on the list will be Unity Software. Now, Unity Software ticket symbol on the New York Stock Exchange is U. Unity Software is another good one. At the moment, it's a few big catalysts. One of the Metaverse shows signs of life again, so should Unity. 2 earnings have been solid in May, and it's looking like it's going to be good. Unity just announced a marketplace for AI software, which has met with an overweight rating, and the stock prices could go even more by analysts targeting. So I'm probably going to do a more in-depth, detailed video of these stocks, probably do a video on each stock so we can get more details of how the stocks are doing, whether they're target prices, and if we should invest in them or not. So once again, it's Ainsley D. Hope you got some value out of this. Please consider putting some Metaverse stocks into your portfolio or on your watch list, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.